Hello everyone, here's a question based on mole concept. When 0.01 mole of an organic compound containing 60% carbon was burned completely, 4.4 gram of CO2 was produced. In that case, what is the molar mass of the compound in gram per mole? Let's say we have an organic compound X that contains 60% carbon undergoing combustion and it is giving CO2 whose weight is given as 4.4 gram. So this means number of moles of CO2 is equal to mass divided by molar mass. Molar mass of CO2 is 44 gram per mole because 12 plus 32 we have 2 oxygen atoms. Mass of CO2 is given as 4.4 gram. Therefore 4.4 divided by 44 gram per mole. So this means this is 0.1 mole. Number of moles of CO2. Atomicity of CO2 is 3, but we have only one carbon atom. This means number of moles of CO2 is equal to number of moles of carbon. Now, number of moles of X is equal to mass of X divided by molar mass of X. The mass of X here is given in an indirect manner. They mentioned it as 60% carbon. Therefore, mass of carbon in X is equal to number of moles of X times molar mass of X times 60 by 100, because whatever is the total mass of X, in that 60% is carbon. Therefore 60 by 100. Now let's keep it as equation 1. Number of moles of carbon in X is equal to mass of carbon in X divided by molar mass of carbon. Mass of carbon in X, we can substitute this. Molar mass of carbon is 12 gram per mole. Therefore, number of moles of carbon in X is equal to 0.01 mole times molar mass of X times 60 divided by 12 gram per mole, that is the molar mass of carbon, times 100. 1010 we can cancel here. 6, 2 times 6 is 12, therefore 2 here. And number of moles of carbon in X, we already figured it out, that is 0.1 mole. Therefore 0.1 mole is equal to 0.01 mole times molar mass of X divided by 20 gram per mole. Therefore, molar mass of X is equal to, if we cross multiply, then it will be 2 gram per mole divided by 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. Therefore, when this comes up, it will become 200 because 2 times 100. So, 200 gram per mole. So, molar mass of X is equal to 200 gram per mole. 200 is the correct answer here.